There are those of us who want to explore cultures, learn new languages, and live life to the fullest. There are those who dare to dream or dare to be different. There are those who believe we're one with nature. Some who live in obedience are serving or have served in the military, or have had life-threatening illness, have lost the one they love.
It's okay, it's okay.
There are those of us who have at least one piercing or one tattoo. There are those who rather be happy or rich. There are those who believe in God, Allah, or a higher power. We are part of a multiracial family. English is not our primary language. Some were raised by a single parent or are raising a child as a single parent. Some of us are adult children of alcoholics or substance abusers. Others are also affected by alcoholics or substance abusers. There are those who identify differently than heterosexual. There are many of us who struggles with anxiety, depression, and or other emotional or psychological issues. Some of us have been subject to hate speech, discrimination, there are also some of us who are the first in our families to go to college. We are 17 or older. Twenty or older. 40 or older. 50 or older. 60 or older. We believe that everyone should be treated with honesty, fairness, and respect.